In this video, I will introduce you with Demountable Partition System. So this is the post of the Demountable Partition System. So overall the sectional extrusion is like this, in which you can see these are the two groups which receives the gasket. And now if I put it like this, so this particular portion which you see is actually provided for the gapping. So let me show you how. This another element which is called rail is having C sectional profile. You can see the section over here with the extra extrusion over here. Now this extra extrusion is going to extend out of the C section. This particular groove receives the gasket. How they come together? We put it like this. So this is the post, this is the rail, and we fix from here through the screw, and the screw goes in. Now if we want to have the demountable system with the panel size 2 feet by 2 feet, so this post which is coming here will have the gap of 2 feet. One is here, second is here. Now the panel which will come up here will go up to this point, because there will be gap over here. So the panel will have edging all around, because wherever you put the panel, all four sides will have the gap. So how it is getting continued? Post, rail, post again, post again. These rails kept at the height of 2 feet if you are taking the panel size 2 feet. So one here, second here. Now how the panel are fixed, I'll show you in the next part. This is the one module of the demountable partition system, in which you can see two vertical posts which is having the gasket vertically adjusted here in just one section. Other sections are empty, that will also receive the gasket. Now you can see this is the panel having the hook in the bottom and the top. Now this panel goes into the rail, and if I put the panel like this, I'll adjust the bottom and the top hook with the rails U profile, then it will get attached to the standing structure, the framework. So the panel will be on both the sides. These are the outcomes of this demountable partition systems, which creates checkered grid pattern in the elevation.